Hi, and welcome to another unboxing video. In this video I am going to unbox a little Subaru Rex. In Europe it's called a Mini Jumbo, and it's gonna be like this. It's really hard to find a model from this car. It comes with two bodies, a Subaru Mini Jumbo or Rex in Japan, and a little Daihatsu Coureur. And I'm gonna use some parts from the Daihatsu Coureur for the Subaru, because it has to be 4-door. And some other modifications, just like the real car. Everything is nicely packed and numbered. The owner from the real Subaru said, "I can't find any model from my car." Okay, let's take a look. And in about a couple of days I found one. And please, when you're here, like, share, comment or subscribe. And watch my whole videos, because you help me a lot. The base model I'm going to use for this build is from Aoshima. It's a 120 scale and it comes with a Subaru Rex and a Daihatsu Coureur. The build instructions are nice and clear. It comes in Japanese and in English. So, yeah, nice. Now, let's take a look at the body and let's see what we're gonna modify. It's already nicely detailed, but of course we have to change it, because the real car hasn't got a sunroof and it's a 4-door. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I see you the next time, and when you're here, like, subscribe, share or comment. See you the next time. Bye bye.